What's up, you guys? Hello and welcome to another video. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to smash that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss any of the awesome stuff that we got coming your way here. So today's video, we're going to be making an anabolic lasagna. Okay. Everyone knows that it's better to, easier to stick to a diet when you're eating foods that you like, so why not be able to make a healthy version of a food that you like, okay? It's going to be a lasagna that won't mess up your diet and will help you, lose fat and make gains. Watching this video all the way through to the end, I'm going to give you the ingredients, exactly what you're going to need to get to make this anabolic lasagna. I'm going to give you all the steps to make it. I'm going to give you the macros and the complete calories. Really quickly, let me know in the comments what you are trying to do, if it's lose body fat, build muscle, or recomp, which is essentially do both. Just so I have a better understanding of what everyone in the audience is trying to accomplish there. And thank you to everyone that's been joining me and subscribing to the channel. We've been growing really quickly. I really appreciate it. I genuinely appreciate everyone who comments and hits that like button and watches all the videos. Okay. So let's get into a little bit of what we're going to be using. Okay. I'm going to be using half a pound of ground turkey. Also half a pound of extra lean ground beef. Okay. Ground turkey is also extra lean, and I'll be combining them together just so I can minimize the fat content a little bit. And I wanted it to taste, more like beef, right? So that's why I didn't just use all turkey. Okay. I've also got this part skim mozzarella cheese. There is 80 calories per 30 grams, and there is only 5 fat in it. So try to find yourself a cheese like that. I have this, garlic and onion tomato sauce that I'm going to be using instead of tomato paste. Parmesan cheese, gluten-free lasagna noodles, just because I don't really like the pasta noodles. They tend to make me a little bit bloated, right? So if you experience the same thing, maybe try the gluten-free ones and see how they make a difference. We're also going to be using a little bit of olive oil in the pan to cook the meat with, and some seasonings, mostly salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Might decide to throw a couple more things in there, but we'll see that as we go on. We're going to heat the oven up to 350 degrees, and I'm going to do an edit with a voiceover of putting the ingredients together, okay? So let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm gonna try it out. It's lasagna, so obviously it's a bit messy. Yeah, it's perfect, just the way I want it. The cheese is crispy, meat tastes good, not too much sauce. Each serving of this has about 425 calories and 50 grams of protein, so it's pretty much 50% protein. Can't go wrong with it. Okay guys, there you have it. Anabolic, macro-friendly lasagna. If you guys enjoy recipes like this, let me know in the comments there. Make sure you do smash that thumbs up button as well. It helps the channel out a ton and I genuinely appreciate it. Share this with anyone that you think might enjoy the recipe as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the description. I've always got some cool links down there below with some discounts and stuff if you're interested in any stuff like that. But there's other videos here popping up, so watch the other videos on the channel, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you guys on the next one.